So, hey dear awesome people, Remaster expert over here. You can see the instructions on the readme file when you extract the zip. So I made a program which can spam Binod anywhere non-stop. Now in here, as you can see, I have given the source code so you can study it or something, I don't know. And then the installers if you want them for some reason, and the main exe file. The exe file is the main one file. You just have to open it and then left click on the text box and it should spam in under 5 seconds. It will spam 1 lakh text messages before stopping. So if you want to stop spamming, just close the exe. Also, it should work on all social media apps, even in Notepad or a text editor or in an IDE too.
If you can make this video reach Slayypoint, it would make my day.
So I also made a bot for Discord for specifically spamming Binod in a channel. It will have a 5-second delay because of how Discord handles spamming. The prefix of the bot is S and an exclamation mark. Look, it should spam now.
Wait a minute!
Lol, so I just fixed the problem and it should spam now. If you want to download the exe file, the link to the GitHub repository will be in the description, as well as a link to invite the Discord bot to your server.